Hello and good afternoon, everyone. I'm day weather meteorologist Don Watzel with your afternoon video update for Monday, February 1st. Pleasant and above average temperatures will continue to rest over portions of the state through tomorrow afternoon, most notably over the far northern and eastern plains, where we could set some new records for highs tomorrow. Some areas could hit the lower 60s. In general, we are going to continue with light to breezy winds with some localized stronger gusts primarily in our central and southeastern wind prone areas. We are still looking at conditions to turn colder with snow entering the forecast heading into Wednesday. We'll take a look at a map of where some of the snow could fall and some of the anticipated road and travel impacts. Then late in the week into the weekend, could be looking at chances for some bitterly cold Arctic air to make its way southward. Fortunately, doesn't look like we're going to get any long-term widespread Arctic blasts, but we are going to get shots of bitterly cold conditions here and there, alternating with some slightly warmer periods heading into the second week of February. As for the rest of today, pretty quiet. Dry statewide, seasonal temperatures in the west above average readings mainly along and east of the Continental Divide. We're also getting light to breezy winds with some localized stronger gusts approaching 40 miles an hour. We've gotten those so far this afternoon along I-25 between Chugwater and Wheatland. Another spot along and southwest of Casper, Wyoming 258, getting some gusts earlier this afternoon near 40 miles an hour. For Tuesday, much the same through early evening. Dry statewide. Then as a trough and cold front enters the picture from the west and northwest, the western mountains and valleys will be getting some overnight snow and snow showers. Light amounts in the valleys. Mountain areas mainly 1 to 3 inches. Some localized areas could get maybe up to 4, most likely in the northern Tetons by early Wednesday. As far as winds, continued light to breezy with some of our southeast wind prone areas getting some occasional gusts 35 to 45 miles an hour. Again, most notably on I-25 between Chugwater and Wheatland and I-80 on the summit near Buford. Now let's take a look at Wednesday. Our video from Friday showed the potential for some widespread snowfall, but unfortunately it doesn't look like we're going to get that now. The wind pattern and the weather pattern overall made a change over the weekend that's going to primarily make this a mountain snow event. Nevertheless, we do expect some road and travel impacts. Most likely areas to see some impacts will be along and west of the Laramie Valley along I-80, continuing west through Elk Mountain, Rawlins, Wamsutter, and Rock Springs. Could even extend further west towards Evanston and the Utah line. Another possible area is along I-25, west of Glen Rock and west of Douglas, continuing through Casper and northward up towards Buffalo, again along I-25. The snow amounts themselves are not that impressive, but if they do combine with some daytime stronger wind gusts at around 20 to 30 with gusts 35 to 45 miles an hour, could initially see some areas of blowing snow, and if that does transpire, that'll be the initial impact. Then as the snow and the wind tapers off Wednesday night, rapid cooling will shift the main impact to areas of slick roads and black ice that will linger into Thursday morning. We should then get a break Thursday afternoon through part of Friday, then a secondary wave, this time with more cold Arctic air, could drop south Friday heading into the weekend. This could cause additional road and travel impacts with snow showers and bitterly cold temps with very cold wind chills as we head into the weekend. Those details will be addressed in future videos. Until then, enjoy the rest of today. Thanks for listening and watching. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.